Here's a part that I just made using 20,000 styrene made from paper templates. It needs to be sanded and finished. It needs to be finished sanded and painted and then molded and cast. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this switch as a tell, which is really close to the original actual shape of the one that you see on the full-scale Nomad. Not only am I going to use it as a tell, but I'm going to use it as a functional switch to activate something special within the Nomad. Now, naturally, I'm going to send a link to my good friend Hank before I do anything else, so I want to get his feedback on what he thinks of this idea. More to come. Greetings. These are parts for the one-to-one Nomad. This is a part from, well, the incorrect model. So, this is scratch built. I wanted to show this so once again, nobody calls me a recaster because they just love to do things like that to try to make the other guy look bad. These are laminated pieces of scrap 80,000 styrene with the 20,000 covering. So you can see this is clearly scratch built. This will be corrected, molded, and cast. Now, this part is almost exactly the same height, but not quite. Okay, so this was not copied, obviously. Also, the hemisphere on this incorrect part is too big, sticks out too far, and I'm going to make that correction for this part. Additionally, these are the ice cubes that I cast from an old original series accurate ice cube tray. You will see the pictures proving this right after this small short video. I'm going to be adding the proper greeblies and details to this part. Then, when I've got everything done, I'm going to make a small mold. Now please, check out the pictures, the screen captures that have been enlarged and enhanced right after this video. Thank you. Have a Trek day. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger, danger. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. Danger, danger. It works. Let's hear it straight from Nomad's own voice.
I am Nomad. My function is to probe for biological infestations, to destroy that which is not perfect. Insufficient response. It functions irrationally. I am Nomad. I am perfect. That which is imperfect must be sterilized. You are in error. You are a biological unit. You are imperfect.
Creator, the unit Scott is a primitive structure. Insufficient safeguards built in. Breakdown can occur from many causes. Self-maintenance systems of low reliability. The knowledge banks of this unit have been wiped clean.
And there you have it. That's the Nomad circuit. Much more to come, as always. Take care, peace and long life. Keep on trekking. May the farce be with you, always. Yeah, yeah, yeah.